Okay, so I got some cane in Smithville.
Pushing yourself, yeah. You can't lean back.
So
Come and chat with Tania.
Is it a swinger or a swinger?
I don't know.
Oh. So you say it's a swinger?
That's what they say.
So guys, I am in Smithville in Clarendon, and I saw these wonderful children swinging on a swinger, and I decided to take a swing. So I just hope you don't pop down with me.
You can't pop down. Pop it some more. Come back. Yes.
And go off.
And go off now.
Lord help me. Woo! Oh my God. Nathania, this is nice.
You don't feel like you go overboard?
You feel like I go way over the ear. No, I have to try it again. After 2, 1, 2. Woo! Oh, Jesus. This is so good. You guys ever push yourself far?
Further than that, some stand
How
up in
far
the
you go? You touch a mango tree?
Some touching mango, some standing right and wheel out there.
Oh, God. It feels so good.
Childhood reliving.
You see, when I was growing up, I used to do these things.
Oh.
On the
What's the name
scene.
of your channel?
Yeah, the channel Chat Jamaican with Tania.
Chat Jamaica.
Chat Jamaican.
So me like me probably blow over. Can go up a little bit more.
Oh my God! Oh good. She got way up. Look at me, I forgot try again.
It's like a technique, you know?
May I go try again?
It's like you're pushing yourself forward. But we're gonna slow down now.
Alright. I want to see you stop though.
My own fell off, you know.
Come on, take off the slippers.
No. Alright, so you have to just push back yourself. And when you go, like you push your foot forward.
Push forward.
Yeah.
Alright, after 2.
1, 2.
Woo!
Push it, yeah.
What if you feel like I'm gonna drop off?
Each time, like you come back, you kind of put back your foot them and push.
Oh.
Like you're pushing yourself, yeah.
Woo.
You can lean back, like lean.
And came back over.
Lean. Like when you're going forward, you lean. Yeah, you see how you elevate now?
Oh.
You elevate.
Up.
Yeah. Like you lean, go back.
Woo.
And it kind of elevates you.
Woo. I'm gonna stop now.
Alright.
Wait, man, just stop.
Make it slow down.
Don't push yourself, just continue till you just come down.
Oh Lord.
Alright. Then you can use your foot and kind of.
Pull yourself up.
Yeah. Alright, you got it.
This was good. Thanks, guys.
Thank you guys.
Bye. So we stop in Smithville for lunch, and where I hide your face, so?
I'm eating.
Cause you're eating. So we got some rice, peas, and chicken. Miss Daphne, what is the name of the restaurant? Southside. So we stopped at Southside restaurant with Mr. with Brother Cleve. So
AKA
Brother Cleve,
Beacon.
Southside restaurant with Brother Cleve. And Brother Cleve, the food can go on really nice. So we're going to have lunch and then we're going to head on out of Smithville. But it's a wonderful area. Love it, love it, love it. Cool, nice in the hills. We're able to see the Moko Mountains. What else we see?
Like,
And the Bullet Mountain is across from the area and everything.
it's like a mini waterfall.
And yeah, we're going to go to a little mini waterfall and so on. So it's very wonderful. And 7 miles away from Frankfield. So wonderful community so far. Bullet Mountains, Moko Mountains. You know, we're having a great time. So indeed wonderful. So it's lunch. Bye. Okay, so I got some cane in Smithville. Brother Cleve. So Brother Cleve gave me some cane and some breadfruit. Maybe I just have to put it down.
I may have a box.
Put it in the box.
We'll look at the box that you can put it in.
All right. So I'm going to try the 2 plug. Oh, that's a cocoa.
Yeah.
So the box and blow off of the car top.
No problem.
I beg you throw them away
Yes,
for me.
may have something here. Garbage.
Okay.
This one can roast.
Yes. Lovely roasting breadfruit. Thank you very much, Brother Cleve.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we're still in Smithville in Clarendon and we stop at the big river. Now I never know that Smithville or Clarendon has these beautiful places. The rocks are looking lovely, the water is flowing, everything is looking so beautiful, so wonderful, and I'm so grateful that I got the opportunity to stop in Smithville where I can explore and look at all this beauty. If I had known, I would have taken my bad suit and then I would have chopped off. I would chop off in the water because it's looking so wonderful. But coming here to Smithville, I never know that I am going to see such beauty, and I never know that all of this exists. If I had known, I would have taken my bad suit. So it is looking wonderful, great. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this morning when they tell me to galang, I am happy that I did because this is wonderful.
The big river has very large rocks which only a geologist can tell us what type of rocks they are. The rock contribute to the unique feature of the running water and its beauty. The water gush through the rock formation and create a pleasing river sound. The water runs under the road and flows beautifully.
So this is a big river, guys.
Large rocks can be seen on the side of the road. The river water is clear and seems like a good bathing spot. We enjoy the tour to show the beauty.
Lovely water to swim into. Has some beautiful rocks. So they have some lovely stones in Smithville.
little bit of mud, so she's basically washing off her foot. And nice. Yeah, Red, use that rock. Yeah, then what? This one. Yeah, then step on that one to your left. Alright, come around. Wait, stop. This gone now. Alright.
So guys, this is a great experience. The only thing I want is a bath suit. I don't have any bath suit.
This is the Great Gully. The water flows from into the hills and travel underground to the gully. The gully has rocks similar to the big river. It was a lovely experience stopping by the Great Gully in Clarendon. Okay guys, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.